Dongguan GooDa Machinery Company was established in 2012, which is a local manufacturer of specialized, high-grade CNC machine tools and related key components in China, a national high-tech enterprise, a specialized and special new enterprise in Guangdong Province, a listed backup enterprise in Dongguan, and a doubling enterprise in Dongguan. At present, it has grown into a large-scale production and marketing base of high-grade CNC equipments in China. The company has a professional technical R&D team and perfect production, market and after-sales system, which can provide users with complete solutions in the field of numerical control machine. At present, GooDa Company has started a new headquarters, GooDa Industrial Park in Changping Town, set a high-quality level for modern manufacture. Built on the company's investment and construction will enable all kinds of NC equipment and auxiliary equipment to interconnect with each other through the application of big data plus Internet of Things plus intelligent environmental monitoring, and realize digitalization and intelligent chemical plant control. GooDa is your reliable one-stop supplier. The company's main products include CNC Machining Center, CNC Duplex Milling, CNC Gantry Milling, CNC Portal Milling, CNC Grinder, CNC high-speed circular sawing, and other high-end CNC machine tools. In the future, GooDa will develop and manufacture high-grade CNC system, 5-axis machining center, CNC index table, gear reducer, and other core components. GooDa is committed to users in different fields and supports users to customize efficient, lean and reliable production and processing equipment to meet process needs so as to achieve excellent manufacturing capacity for users. Today, we has local offices in South Korea, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, India, US, and Germany. Technical aspects, we have obtained more than 50 national technology patents and 5 software copyrights. GooDa Company has professional technical teams and enterprise managements. Speed up your production and achieve high quality with GooDa CNC machines. Revolutionizes your factory with GooDa CNC machines. Warmly welcome to site visits.